Hi guys, my name is Shari, Chef for short, and welcome to my channel. Finally and officially welcome to my channel. So I want to grab this opportunity to share you guys the things that I want to do, and especially find unique ways to help people, giving cooking tips or doing some donation challenge, giving you tips about travel destinations and etc. Mai-push lang.
LOL!
So join me as I spread not coronavirus. We don't like that. Join me as I spread positive vibes and happiness in my videos.